Okay, well then, let's not forget we're wearing a microphone and just start complaining like a crazy person. So. All right, here we are again for the third time, and I'm seriously hoping this is the last time. So this is the project of finding a office chair that I like, and the first two I bought, okay, they have arms. I didn't realize that that was going to be an issue for me. Okay, so this is basically one of the cheapest chairs that you can get off Walmart or Amazon, and actually I like it. I think that chair is pretty good. The problem is this one and the other one that I got that was a little bit higher end, neither one of them can I push under the desk, and I stand up and work right there. So if I can't push that under the desk, that chair is in my way. So what I've done is I went back on Walmart and found Okay, by the way, the other one, which I've already returned, is bonded leather. And maybe I should do another video about why you should not buy bonded leather. And that is the reason. See, on the left is new bonded leather, and on the right is old bonded leather. Can you believe that? That on the left is the exact same material that the one on the right used to be. It's awful. So what I didn't realize about bonded leather, I don't know why I didn't know this. If you sit in bonded leather with some shorts and your legs stick to it, no matter the temperature, that you are going to rip the skin off the back of your legs. So anyway, I'll say it again. The first two chairs had arms, which I didn't like. The second chair had arms and was bonded leather, which I didn't like. Therefore, this chair is actual leather and has no arms. So we'll see if I can't get lucky here. But, okay, that feels like leather. I should have known better. That says armless leather desk chair. Can the camera see that? Armless leather desk chair. Now let me read you something off the back of the cushion. The back of the cushion states, all new material consisting of 100% polyurethane. It's not leather. Okay, well then, let's not forget we're wearing a microphone and just start complaining like a crazy person. So.
I'll probably like the chair okay, but that whole thing where bonded leather sticks to your skin is annoying.
And I believe I paid $44 for this one. So this one is about 10 bucks more than one and about 15 bucks less than the other one. But that seems like that'll be fine. 30 bucks for the one on the left. And 42 for the one on the right. So the problem that I was talking about before is solved with that. So that part I already like. I'll sit in that thing for a day or so and then I'll give my final report. I don't think I have the energy to order a fourth chair. Most people order one and they're done. So.
All right, so I sat in that chair. Actually, I'm sitting in it now. And I've been sitting in it for several days. And actually, In the brown bonded leather chair, my rear end was hurting after about an hour, but in this particular chair, the one I just did the review on, which I'll pop back up here in a minute, this one actually, after several hours, I'm feeling comfortable. So the report on the very last chair, the armless leather chair, which turned out to not be leather, is pretty good. So I'd go ahead and go with that one, and I believe that's from Walmart. Anyway, thanks for watching. I've got 2 other chair reviews. Since I did 3, I'll link them together. Enjoy the 12 people that need office chairs that click on this video. Thank you. This is John Masters. Talk to you later.